How long does a divorce take? Divorce is a significant life event that comes with many uncertainties, one of the most common being the duration of the process. In Georgia, the time it takes to finalize a divorce can vary widely depending on several key factors, including whether the divorce is contested or uncontested, the complexity of marital assets, and whether children are involved. Some divorces may be finalized as quickly as 30 days, while others could extend beyond a year, especially if disputes arise between the parties. Georgia divorce timelines. In Georgia, the type of divorce you pursue, contested or uncontested, will significantly influence the length of the process. Uncontested divorce. Uncontested divorces are typically the quickest and least complicated. In this scenario, both spouses agree on all major issues, such as property division, child custody, and spousal support. After filing the necessary paperwork, there is a mandatory 30-day waiting period, during which the court reviews the agreement. If everything is in order, the divorce can be finalized shortly after this period, often without a court hearing. In ideal cases, this process can be completed within 30 days following the waiting period. Contested divorce. A contested divorce occurs when spouses cannot agree on key issues. This process is more complex and time-consuming, often requiring judicial intervention. After the initial filing, there are additional steps, including discovery, negotiations, and possibly a trial. Depending on the complexity of the case and the level of disagreement, a contested divorce can take anywhere from 6 months to over a year. In extreme cases, it may take up to 3 years. Key stages in the divorce process. The divorce process in Georgia involves several critical stages. Filing and standing orders. The process begins with one spouse filing a divorce petition. Standing orders may be issued to establish temporary guidelines, such as restrictions on property transactions. Response and discovery. The other spouse responds to the petition, and both parties exchange financial information and evidence to facilitate fair settlements. Temporary orders. Temporary orders may address immediate needs, such as child support and spousal support, providing interim solutions while the divorce case is ongoing. Pretrial negotiations. Parties explore settlement options to avoid a lengthy trial. Mediation may be required to help both sides reach an agreement. Custody guidelines. If children are involved, custody guidelines are established to create a co-parenting plan, ensuring the children's well-being is prioritized. Divorce trial, if necessary. If no agreement is reached, the case proceeds to trial, where a judge makes the final decisions on all unresolved issues. Post-divorce proceedings. After the divorce is finalized, additional legal proceedings may be necessary to enforce the divorce decree or address future concerns. Can I speed up the divorce process in Georgia? While certain statutory requirements, like the 30-day waiting period, cannot be altered, there are ways to expedite the divorce process. One of the most effective strategies is to reach a mutual agreement with your spouse on key issues. Uncontested divorces, where both parties agree on all terms, generally move much faster. Hiring an experienced attorney can also help. A seasoned Marietta divorce lawyer can efficiently navigate the legal process, helping your case progress as quickly as possible. They can assist with meeting deadlines, filing the necessary paperwork correctly, and avoiding common pitfalls that could slow down the process. Contact Tori White Legal Group. Divorce can be challenging, but understanding the factors that influence its timeline can help you approach the process with greater clarity. Whether your divorce is straightforward or complex, having the right legal support is crucial. The Tori White Legal Group in Marietta is dedicated to providing experienced guidance throughout the entire divorce process. Contact us today at 770-744-1529 or visit our office at 274 Washington Avenue Northeast, Marietta, Georgia, 30060, to schedule a consultation and take the first step toward a brighter future.